Hello everybody, welcome to our session, repeat and print. Today we're going to use a very simple technique that some of you will probably have experienced and done before, but it's good to refresh our skills and techniques. We're going to do some potato printing. Potatoes are great because they're quite a firm source and material to actually print from. I'm going to use a very simple cookie cutter that I've got in two sizes, a larger and smaller one, happens to be a heart shape. That's what I could find in the cupboard. I've used a good baking potato because it's got a nice size. And I'm simply using, again, two colours, two quite distinct colours, and I've used acrylic paint. And I've just laid it on the top of a plastic box, takeaway box. That's what I'm using as my palette. And I've used a plastic sheet to cover the table. Now today I'm going to print onto some fabric. I'm going to move away from paper. I'm actually going to print on some plain fabric. Again, a piece of an offcut of simple cotton type fabric. And that's all you need, and I'm using a very basic kitchen knife as well. So all you do is get your cookie cutter, push your cookie cutter into the centre of your potato. I would say about a centimetre or so down, and then take your knife, and the technique I find the best is, because you don't want to cut off any part of the heart shape, first of all I've cut a line into the potato, and then I'm slowly cutting around one half of the heart shape, and again I'm cutting down about a centimetre. But just take your time and cut it, because what you don't want to do is cut through the shape. So you're taking off the excess. So we're doing a relief print. So I'm taking off the excess of the potato, the spud, and I'm cutting down, and I'm getting rid of that part. And we want a nice sharp line. Okay. Even it off there. Same on this side. Just get a nice sharp cut. And the cookie cutters are great because you can get lots of different shapes, but also they're quite distinctive cuts. Whereas if you're cutting yourself, your own shapes, they're quite they're a little bit more tricky to do. You can of course do that, or you might use a piece of lino, or you might use other objects to cut from. You can of course use other fruit and vegetables. Things like peppers make great prints as well, and you can just cut them in half and print directly from them. So now you can see we've got quite distinctive heart shape.